given a is equal to minus 2 comma 2 and b is equal to 2 comma 8. The AB line is divided into three portions PQR. PQR, Q is the midpoint of AB. AB midpoint, which one? Q is the midpoint of AB. So midpoint formula, first of all, midpoint formula. What is the formula? x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. ఇప్పుడు q ఆఫ్ x కామా y ఈక్వల్ టు x1. a మీన్స్ వాట్? మైనస్ 2 కామా 2. b ఈక్వల్ టు 2 కామా 8. సో x1 మైనస్ 2 ప్లస్ x2 2 by 2 కామా y1 2 ప్లస్ y2 8 by 2. ఇది 0 by 2 కామా 10 by 2, that is 0 కామా 5. q is equal to q of x comma y is equal to q of x comma y is equal to 0 comma 5. P is the midpoint of AQ. A equal to minus 2 comma 2. B Q is equal to 0 comma 5. P of x comma y equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2, that is minus 2 by 2 comma 7 by 2, that equal to minus 1 comma 7 by 2. Next, R is the midpoint of Q and B. QB. Q is equal to 0 comma 5. B equal to 2 comma 8. That is equal to R of x comma y is equal to x1 0 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2, that is equal to 2 by 2 comma 13 by 2, that is 1 comma 13 by 2.